Taurus Horoscope Predictions 2021. The year 2021 is going to be a great year for the Taurians. You will make good relations personally and professionally. Even financially, this year is going to give you a lot of gain. You will be benefited money wise from many directions. And because of the planetary movements during this year, you will be blessed with courage and strength to overcome all the challenges in your life. Throughout the year, you will remain confident and you will also remain focused to achieve your goals, and you will definitely achieve them. So, let us see the different aspects of the coming year. Let us start by discussing about your financial position in the year 2021. For the Taurian people, this year is going to be a good year. There are very bright chances of getting financial gains from many directions. Your income is surely going to increase, and with this increase in income, you will buy property, invest in gold, and other kinds of assets. With the increase in income, you will also increase your household expenditures. In many cases, this will happen. And this will happen all of a sudden. So you have to be mentally prepared for this. Though money inflow will be good, still you are advised to spend very wisely this year. Think a lot before spending and investing anywhere. And make sure that you save for the rainy days also. Your education in 2021, how your studies are going to be in this year. This year is going to be a mixed bag as far as your education is concerned. And throughout the year, there will be many ups and downs in your studies. It is advised कि अगर आप किसी subject में weak हो, then don't struggle on your own. It will be better if you take some coaching immediately without any delay. Instead of trying your own, go for a help. If you're attempting any exam for a last chance, the any competitive exam, and this is your last chance to clear it, then surely there are bright chances, and please go ahead with full preparation and determination. Somewhere in the middle of the year, stars seems to be favorable for your studies, and if you are planning to go abroad for further studies, then chances are bright. And you must realize your potential now and stop your dependency on others for your studies. So please become independent as soon as possible. That will be good for you. Now let us see how your career is going to be in 2021. Overall, this year will be a fruitful year from career point of view. Surely this year is going to be a better year than the previous one. Your education is also going to be good, your finances are also going to be good, and so will your career be. Now, during this time, Jupiter will be entering the 10th house, and with the blessing of Shani, this year will also be good for your promotion. If you're looking for a change in your job, then the early months of 2021 will be good. But do not make major changes in your career in the later half of the year. Think wisely before changing your job. And a word of caution for you, especially at your workplace, keep a control over your temper. Be patient, don't indulge in any kind of gossip, and just stay safe. Do not get involved in any kind of argument, especially with the authority and your co workers. Now, let us see how your travel life is going to be in the year 2021. For the Taurian people, this year is going to be a very significant one as far as traveling is concerned. This year, you will make long journeys, and to your surprise, even this may happen that you plan to go somewhere else, but your stars will take you to some other place, some other destination. These travels may be extended also. You must have planned for just 2 3 days and you will have to extend them for another few days. That is quite likely to happen. Interestingly, there are chances that you will meet someone very special also on your journey, and this is going to change your fortune. And your travel dreams that you must have been thinking to go somewhere, but you have not been able to go to that place. Now, chances are very strong that your dreams will be materialized. And these trips will also benefit you in your work. Chances of meeting new and good investors for your work are quite likely. And your memories will also take you to some destination. How your health is going to be in 2021. This is an excellent year from the health point of view. Starting of the year will be good, but slowly you might develop slight, very slight health issues, which will improve by the year end only. Keep a check on your health properly. Be careful about hygiene. Take some extra care of your foot and stomach. And also try to get rid of your bad, unhealthy eating habits. Indulge in outdoor activities and stay fit. This year, Venus will bless you and favor you in your health. So, overall, you will enjoy good health in 2021. How your family life is going to be in 2021. We have seen your health is good, your traveling is good, your education and career are also very good during 2021, and so will be your family life. This year will bring lot of joy and happiness in your relations with your life partner. You will get full support from your family, your parents, partner, children, everyone is going to support you. And there are also chances of someone from your family to go and settle abroad. If someone is thinking of doing so, then chances are good in this year. And you will also have good relation with your elders and they will bless you a lot. Your children will make good progress and they will outshine in their respected fields, and they will also earn respect for you. You will be proud of them. If someone is eligible for marriage in your family, then chances are there that that will also be finalized this year. And besides that, just one thing that you will have to take care of your family members' health. Otherwise, everything is very good and you will enjoy a very, very good and healthy family life in the year 2021. Your love life and relationships in 2021. This year, Venus is very favorable for you, and this is going to make your love life very good this year. You must socialize as much as you can, and there are very bright chances that in a journey or in any social gathering, you may like someone or someone may like you or get attracted towards you, and this is very sure to happen. As I told you earlier, that in your travel also you might meet someone special, and that is going to change your fortune. So socializing is very important this year. You must go out and meet people. Love will be in air throughout the year, and you will enjoy special bonding with your love partner as the Venus is favorable, and you will connect with someone you love, and there will be deep feelings and attachments this year. And chances of marriage are also bright. If you are eligible and looking for a match, then surely chances are very bright. Just one word of caution that you should and you must respect your love partner, and give them a little freedom also, and don't let lack of communication spoil your relationship. So a good communication between both of you will take you a long way together. Overall, your love life and relationship in 2021 is excellent. So keep enjoying.